Hey everyone, welcome back to TipBytes. Today we're diving into a super useful feature in Google Sheets, the drop-down list. Whether you're organizing a project, tracking data, or just want to streamline your workflow, drop-down lists are a game changer. So let's get started. All right, first things first. Open up your Google Sheets document. Let's say we want to create a drop-down list in column A for different departments. Click on the cell where you want the drop-down to appear. For this example, let's choose cell A2. Now go to the menu at the top and click on Data. From the drop-down menu, select Data Validation. A new window will pop up on the right side. Select the Add Rule button. In the Criteria section, choose Dropdown. This should be there by default. Now you need to enter the items for your drop-down list. Just type them in where it says Option 1 and Option 2. For our example, let's add Marketing, Sales, IT, HR. You'll need to push the Add Another Item button to create more spaces to add IT and HR. Once you've added your items, you can also customize the drop-down's behavior if you click the Advanced Options button. For instance, you can choose whether to show a warning if someone tries to enter an invalid value. When you're done setting it up, click Done. Voila! You should now see a small arrow in cell A2, and clicking it will reveal your drop-down options. If you want to apply this drop-down to other cells in the same column, simply click and drag the fill handle at the bottom right corner of cell A2 down to the other cells you want to include. And that's it. You've successfully created a drop-down list in Google Sheets. This can help keep your data organized and ensure consistency across your spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on Google Sheets and other awesome tools. If you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.